Hi guys, it's Mishel, Deception Bytes, and I was about to shut my computer down for the night, but I think I need to bring this to you guys. It's important. It's very important, and it is a new strain of bird flu called H7N9, and it's never been seen in humans before. And I know you're saying, okay, so what? Well, right now it's spreading across China, and it is deadly. It kills almost 40% of those that come in contact with it. And they're saying that this has all the makings of a pandemic. Now, I have been expecting a pandemic for quite some time because I have seen, that we know that they want to reduce the world population. We already know that. But I have seen actual reports where they show what they think the world population is going to be in a few years. And I'm thinking, okay, the only way that that could happen is number one, a nuclear war, or two, a pandemic. And I thought it was probably number two. So I just want to show you a couple articles here and real quickly and just get you up to speed on this. Why won't this? Hang on here. Be patient with me. All right. Okay, this is from Newsmax. And British health official, deadly Chinese poultry flu may be next pandemic. The H7N9 avian flu virus that has infected 1,600 people and killed more than 600 in China since October 2016 could be disease X, an unexpected pathogen that threatens to become a worldwide pandemic, the Deputy Chief Medical Officer for England warns. H7N9 is an example of another virus which has proven its ability to transmit from birds to humans, said Professor Jonathan Van Tam. It's possible that it could be the cause of the next pandemic. The World Health Organization in March included Disease X in its most recent global strategy and preparedness plan known as the 2018 R&D Blueprint. The name represents the knowledge that a serious international epidemic could be caused by a pathogen currently unknown to cause human disease, and so the R&D Blueprint explicitly seeks to enable cross-cutting R&D preparedness that is also relevant for an unknown disease X as far as possible. Most of the people infected in China have been in close contact with poultry. The disease cannot spread from human to human, but has proven its ability to spread from birds to humans, says Van Tam, and experiments on animals have shown that it was just 3 mutations away from being able to do so, according to the Telegraph. The strand was first identified in humans in 2013 per the World Health Organization. So, let's look at another article here. H7N9 bird flu has the makings of a pandemic virus, scientists warn. Scientists in China have identified an influenza virus that they say has the potential to spread around the world, sickening and killing people whose immune systems have never faced a threat like it. The H7N9 flu emerged in humans in eastern China in February 2013, sickening 133 people and killing about a third of them before winding down in May. It seems that the outbreak was over, but it re-emerged in October 2013 and has been spreading steadily since. H7N9 viruses should be considered as a major candidate to emerge as a pandemic strain in humans, they wrote in a study published Wednesday by the journal Nature. According to the World Health Organization, 571 people have had laboratory-confirmed H7N9 infections and 212 people have died. All but 3 cases were in China, Hong Kong, and Taiwan. The others involved a Chinese traveler to Malaysia and 2 Canadians who had visited China. The virus developed in birds before spreading to human, like the H5N1 bird flu and the H1N1 swine flu. It contained a combination of genes that are new to people. All flu viruses are made of just 8 genes. 2 of those genes make the protein that stud the surface of the virus, glutenin helps invading flu particles latch onto cells. Once inside, the virus hijacks the host cell's machinery to make hundreds of copies of itself. When those copies are ready to spread to other cells, the neuraminidase protein allows them to get out. Scientists have identified 18 types of these proteins and 11 types of these of neuraminidase proteins. All of them have infected birds, but only some of them have been documented in people. So this is a strain, this new strain, it can affect people, and it has 30% upwards. Actually, I read one place it had a 38% death rate. So let me see here. It is probable that the H7N9 virus is now present across most of China, they wrote. Given the current pattern of dissemination, it will only be a matter of time before poultry movement spreads this virus beyond China by cross-border trade. So that is interesting. I don't know what to say about it. I think we're all expecting something of this nature. A new strain of deadly bird flu, dubbed Disease X by the World Health Organization, has killed hundreds of people in China and is just 3 mutations away from becoming transmissible between humans, according to experts. The strain, H7N9, circulates in poultry and has killed 623 people out of 1,625 infected in China. A mortality rate of, this is where I read it, 38.3. While first identified in China in 2013, it has recently emerged as a serious threat, seemingly overnight. Professor Jonathan Van Tam, Deputy Chief Medical Officer for the UK, told The Telegraph that H7N9 could cause a global outbreak. H7N9 is an example of another virus which has proven its ability to transmit from birds to humans, said Van Tam, who added it's possible that it could be the cause of the next pandemic. The WHO says N7N9 is an unusually dangerous virus for humans and one of the most lethal influenza viruses that we've seen so far. So this is cause for alarm, no doubt about it. Wendy Barclay, a virologist and flu specialist, also at Imperial College, says that the study's finding reinforced the need to keep the H7N9 bird flu under close surveillance. These studies keep the virus high on the list of viruses we should be concerned about, she said. The more people infected, the higher the chance that the lethal combination of mutations could occur. And so anyway, this is a cause for concern. I just wanted to bring it to you guys. I don't know if you've heard about it. And if you guys know any more about it, please leave details in the comments below. Thanks so much. I hope that you have a good night and stay safe.